Hey, in this video I will tell you about some actions you have to do to secure your Steam account and not be reverted to your original country if you changed your Steam account region or you want to do that. This video was made for informational purposes only. I get a lot of direct messages and comments about it, so I decided to make a short video with recommendations that will help you to not be reverted and not be banned by Steam. I have to say it's not 100% method, but still if you use it you will probably stay in Turkey or Argentina for a long time. Thanks to this changing service that helped me make this video. If you want to fast change your Steam region, I recommend to use this service. A lot of regions to change an automatic process. Check the invite link in the description. Okay, you changed your Steam region recently, so after the changing don't make any transactions for 3 days. I mean, don't buy games, don't use Steam Market, and don't activate wallet codes. And also don't change password, email, or phone number in 3 days as well. Then when you want to buy some game, add money, or make any transaction, you have to do that in the region of your account. For example, if you have Turkish Steam account you have to use some Turkish VPN. There are many VPN services you can use. I tested my accounts with Seed4Me and Proton VPN. You can find links in the description. If you have any other paid VPN, use it. But when you are connected to VPN, you have to check if at the same location. Use these kind of websites to confirm you are in the needed region. You have to do that because some VPN services can connect to another region closer to you, so your account will be changed to that country. My account was changed to Germany when I connected to Turkey. I will also leave these links to the description. You see it says I'm in Turkey and that's good. The next condition, you have to open your browser in the incognito mode, or use a guest user. It doesn't any info about previous authorizations from your country. And if you have mobile authenticator you should also enable VPN on your device. For example, there is Seed4Me VPN for Android or iOS. Also check your location in the browser as I showed before. When it shows confirmation message, make sure it's in the needed location. And now when you are authorized to your account you can buy games using your wallet, or add money with Steam gift cards. Use gift cards of the same region only. You can get gift cards from the popular stores like G2A, Aniba, CGM, or Gameavo. Of course it's overpriced, so I recommend to add enough money to your account before you change region. It will automatically convert to the new currency. Or you can also use Steam Market to add money. It's the most profitable method. How it works: go to any market outside of Steam, like CS Market, TF Market, CS Money, or other markets. Buy some item like Team Fortress Key. You will pay with your card, PayPal, crypto, or other payment method you want. Then when you get it in the inventory you can sell that on the Steam Market. Use TF2 keys so you can sell it immediately. What about FUPs, Oldable and other stuff? You can't use it anymore. I checked these cards for my account and the transaction didn't complete. Many people ask me about payment methods. I have to say you can't use global cards, Revolut, PayPal, crypto to add money. Only gift cards or Steam Market. How to use that Steam account? As usual account, you don't need to enable VPN when you want to play some game, and you will play on your region servers. Don't refund any game. They can return your account back when you get refund money. And also you can't send gifts to another Steam account, and don't accept gifts on that account. Valve makes using such accounts more difficult, so I don't know what they will do in the next updates. I think this video is one of the last videos on that topic. If you have any questions or suggestions please leave a comment about it. Thanks for watching.